Today on Simply Sweet Homestead, we are going to be testing out the soil blocker. We got this soil blocker. We got the soil blocker on Amazon. It's got the, and then you can squeeze it. Sorry about the noise. So we're going to test it out today and do a review on it. So before we get started, you want to make sure that you're going to add water to your soil. This works out better with a more fine soil, but just make sure it gets really wet so it clumps together. And before we get started, show some love, hit that subscribe button or click the icon in the bottom left corner. It'll help us out a lot. Hey, Ma! They're like not even, they're real loose. I don't know if I did something wrong or not. Do I need it wetter? Pretty wet to me.
I think you just got to keep packing it down because you can see how it started to. I think if I'd hit it another round, it would have. Are you videoing that?
Yeah, I was.
Oh, okay. So,
Do you want me to dump it out and try it again?
see,
Do you think
start
it's
here
wet
and
enough?
take it. I think it is. It's pretty wet. Take it all the way to the bottom, and then start again until you hit the bottom. It's plenty wet. Okay, that one feels pretty full. Yeah, I think that's what it is. You're just gonna have to
Pack it more.
don't be gentle with it. That's for dang sure. Actually, I think to me, it's a little too wet.
Well, it said make it really wet.
It's definitely really wet.
Well,
I mean, if you want to try this again, I think this one isn't terrible. This one, and actually, I don't think it's always going to fall apart. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Dang.
Sorry, phone. Yeah, try it again. You're just going to have to. And I'm going to start some more too real quick.
I love you. Well, she's gone. Rude.
What are you guys doing?
Making soil blocks.
Guess what?
What?
There's a new cereal. I put water in the bucket.
Oh, yeah?
I put water in his bowls that he's not using. Bowls that he's not using. So I put water in one of them. And then I put. Okay, no, Rusty, come on, bully. What? You're in the volcano.
Yeah. I think I found it, Mom.
Yeah.
A sweet spot. So you push all the way down. You push it all the way down, and then if you pull it off, it takes a little chunk of the top with it, right? But if you kind of let it go and do a little of that, kind of wiggle the top loose, it stays with the chunk. So, here's a little tidbit for today. What is that? Pine shaving. Ah. What? Oh, I see. So like here's where I started doing the little like chicka chicka before I pulled it up, and it worked real good.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and try these at once. Seeds are just so tiny.
All in all, the soil blocker seemed to work pretty good. It had a little dip in there, so you didn't have to poke a hole with the seeds and everything. I thought it was a pretty good thing. It did hurt my hand after a while having to, push on that, just to pack it in. But I feel like if it was looser soil, it would have worked a lot better. All in all, we thought it was a good product, but we have the plastic pots at home, and we thought it was a little easier to just use those. So if you want to do
But the ones I save and let them dry on the coffee filters, they do much better.
Do they do better?
They do.
They're not as hard. I noticed that they're softer.
Yeah.
Wonder what that is.
I don't know. They get fuzzier too. So here's my jelly bean ones. You can see little fuzzies on them. They just dried and fell right out of my... But these are for the little jelly beans, which I planted already. I did 2 yellow. I don't know what kind of tomatoes they are. They're yellow. Big yellow.
Big yellows?
Mm,
Not the pear ones?
yeah.
Not the pear or?
They're not the pear.
Oh. I don't know. Well, folks, that's it for today. Ladue and Chaos say like, subscribe, and share with someone who might enjoy this video. Take care and God bless.